Hey everyone, if you've ever found yourself wrangling with data in Smartsheet and wishing you could neatly summarize amounts based on a couple of conditions, like only the hours spent by the marketing team but just for finished projects, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Sumifs formula in Smartsheet step by step so you can pull out exactly the numbers you care about. By the end, you'll be able to confidently use Sumifs to get more out of your Smartsheet reports and make better data-driven decisions. Alright, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your Smartsheet and get to the sheet that has the data you want to work with. It always helps to have everything in view before you start, so take a moment to scan your columns. You'll want to spot hours spent, department, and status, or whatever your relevant column names might be. Now click into the cell where you want your result to appear. This is where we'll build out the Sumifs formula. Let's start typing. Type an equals sign, then sum, and you'll notice formulas starting to pop up below. Choose Sumifs from that dropdown. This is the magic formula that adds things up based on multiple conditions. Once you see it, press the Tab key to auto-complete and start filling in your arguments. That Tab shortcut is small, but it does save you typing out the whole formula name. The first part Smartsheet wants is the range, basically, where the numbers you want to add up are sitting. In our case, that's going to be your hours spent column. Click on the top of the hours spent cell you need, hold down Shift, and then click on the bottom of the range you want included. This highlights all the relevant cells at once. You'll see the cell range get pulled right into the formula. Don't rush, and remember, your data only adds up accurately if you select the right range. When you're set, type a comma to move to the first condition. Next, you'll need to set up your criteria for which departments you want summed. In this case, it might be department. So go and select the range of cells under department that matches up with your hours spent range. Again, click, then Shift plus click to highlight the full column or section you want. Just make sure both ranges have the same number of rows or Smartsheet will flag an error. After you finish selecting your department column, type another comma. Now tell Smartsheet which department to focus on. For example, maybe you want the total hours just for the marketing team. Type marketing in quotation marks right into the formula. Quotation marks are important here. Smartsheet needs them to understand that you're referencing a specific category, not another cell. But let's take this one step further. Often, you'll want more than just department. You probably care about the work that's already finished. Let's filter by status now. Click and Shift plus click to select the status column, making sure again it lines up row-wise with the other ranges you set. Type a comma and finally specify which status matters to you by entering complete in quotation marks. Once you've filled all those parts in hours spent range, department name, status range, and your status value, tap Tab, and that's it. Smartsheet calculates and shows you the sum of hours for, say, all completed marketing projects. Pretty satisfying, right? If things don't look right at first, don't worry. Just double-check that each range is lined up and matches in length. It's a common hiccup and super easy to fix. So now you've got the power to slice and dice your data using Sumifs in Smartsheet, targeting whatever combinations make sense for your tracking. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If any part of the formula tripped you up or you've got questions, just drop a comment below. I check and reply to as many as I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Smartsheet and data tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.